Hello guys, here's Alan from ESA. Today I'm coming to Woodworking Machinery Manufacturer Limited Corporation. Our company was founded in 1996, which is a large, well-known company integrated woodworking machinery research, processing, marketing, as well as application service. And today it's my great honor to make a tour guide to our factory and the company. So without further ado, let's get started.
Advanced science and technology and high precision equipment guarantee the production quality to be reliable. We hold insist of technology improvement quality guarantee in principle in their high-speed improvement, using the distillate of excellent technology all over the world, absorb the good quality from every technology area. We put in large funds of machining machines, import advanced equipment from Japan and Germany, group of a top-class production line in China mainland. The productivity and technology are rising up every day and run into the best woodworking machinery group with normalized and high technology in China.
Here is our machining workshop. We also have many items in our machine workshop, including casting, forgings, and machining. And in this part, I will show you more details of it.
The machine body is of high rigidity structure, being made of castings with vibration reduction performance, laying good foundation for the smooth running of the cutter shaft and feeding system. Every accessory quality is guaranteed with the high-quality machining equipment with our elaborate manufacturing. Every main shaft must strictly be tested for dynamic balance, ensuring the smooth tuning of the cutter shaft. Apart from this, we commits itself to provide the most secure, reliable, efficient, energy-saving, economical production equipment for the customers around the world. With over 67,000 square meters large modern workshop with complete facilities and production lines, has realized its high efficient production. Besides that, the cooperation with world-famous management consulting firm and introduction of modern business administration system such as ERP, CSS have laid solid foundation to the development of WeHold.
As you can see that all the workers are ensuring the continuity of the quality of the products that come out of our plant. And here is our assembly workshop.
The lathe bed is of integral structure, being made of casting with damping performance, and the rigidity of the lathe bed is better, laying a good foundation for the smooth running of the cutter shaft and feeding system.
Alright, that's the end of our journey. And thanks for your listening and watching. By the way, if you have any inquiry, please feel free to contact us anytime. And I hope to make friends with you for the cooperation. Thank you.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.